Susie Milano here with Zach Fish of Oklahoma State. So you got your first hit yesterday. How does it feel to do that on the Cape?
Yeah, it feels good. I mean, it was definitely a long 2 days after going to Ophir, but I knew it was coming. It was just a matter of time of when. So it felt very good to help my team out yesterday.
All right, you go to school in the South, Oklahoma State. What's the adjustment been like coming out here to the Cape?
It's been a little bit. I mean, I'm originally from Seattle, so I mean, it's a little bit like this. But it's definitely an honor to be out here, and I'm just very fortunate that Orleans allowed me to come out here and play.
All right, you're a big hitter over Oklahoma State. You had a 14-game hitting streak last year, longest on the team. Does that add any extra pressure when you enter a new league like this?
I don't think so. I mean, it's just definitely just trying to come out here every day and be consistent. That's what we preach over there at OSU, is just be consistent every single day. So just coming out every single day and working as hard as I can and trying to be as best as I can for this team to help us win as much as I can.
All right, and you guys just won the past 2 games. You got a lot of momentum going on. What do you guys do to prepare for a game like this?
I think just do what we've been doing the last few days. Our pitching's done such a good job. And our hitters, like Austin Davidson's been having great games. I mean, he's been huge for us down the stretch these last few days. So it's really just getting back to what we've been doing the last few days and relaxing and playing our game.
All right, and do you have anything special you do to prepare each game?
Not really. I'm very laid back. I mean, I'm pretty easygoing, so I just like to joke around with the guys, have a little fun, keep it relaxed in the dugout, because if you're tense, you're not going to be as good. So it's just kind of keeping everybody loose and having fun. So that's my biggest thing.
All right, so you are on the Cape for quite a while.
Yep.
What are you going to be working on?
Everything, honestly. I mean, I want to go back to OSU a better ball player. And I know working with Coach Benny and Coach Nicholson that it's going to be, I can only get better. So, working on my hitting, being more consistent coming back into my junior year because it's a big year. Working on my defense, working on my base running, working on my fitness, trying to, stay in shape. So it's definitely just going to be trying to be more consistent every single day. Work as hard as I possibly can to be the best I can.
Great. Thank you so much. Good luck tonight.
Thank you very much.
Susie Milano with Zach Fish. Send it back to you, Kevin, for more Firebird pregame.